Here we have a brake liquid tester from 1A Auto. It's battery operated, it comes with a battery, and it gives you the percentage, indicates the amount of water in your brake fluid. Real simple to use. I set up a stage here, so you take the cap off, you have 2 electrodes. I set up the stage here to show you. This is straight water. You put the pen in, the button's on the top, let the 2 electrodes hit the water, and you hit the button. That's 100% water, so it's right up to 4, it's over the scale. I take it out, just release the button, and it will zero out, turn itself off. And then I've got 2%. That's brake fluid and just a touch of water. Put the electrodes in, hit the button. Oh, I'm at 1%. It's been sitting a while. But watch what happens when I add water. I'll add just a little bit more. Right off the scale. Pretty awesome tool. It's not expensive, and it helps because you don't want to damage your brake system. So you can change your brake fluid on a regular basis on the miles intervals that it gives you, and you can test it. If you buy a used car or it's been a while, you have no records, you'll know what you should do. There's 100% brake fluid. That's a good way to see if your brake fluid's good too, if you've had it opened on your mechanic's bench or in your garage for a while. Because even though the cap's on tight, moisture's going to get in there through the air. It's on nice and tight, but that's been sitting around for a couple months. We're already at 1%. Nice little tool. You can find it on 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.